Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, until 12:45 a.m. At 8:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shullsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Rita, Linden, New Diggings, South Wayne, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lemont, Ruey, Browntown, Gratiot, Calamine, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Lead Mine. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe thunderstorm